What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? This is Min from Architecture Inspirations. Today I'm gonna show you how I filled this bathroom full of toilet paper. What? Yup, let's get started. First, you need to download a plugin called MS Physics. Here, I'm using the Sketchucation Extension Store plugin to download and install the MS Physics plugin. Also, you need to download the AMS library plugin as well. Note that I'm using SketchUp 2017 because MS Physics only work with SketchUp 2018 and older. After you install these plugins, restart SketchUp and you will see 3 toolbars. I will close these 2 because I only need this one for this video. For the first example, let's draw a ground plane and use the push and pull tool to add some thickness to it. Then make it a group. Now let's draw a box and make it a group as well. I will move the box higher like so. And now let's simulate physics by pressing the play button. You can see that both objects will fall due to gravity. So let's reset the scene with this button. And this time, I will right click the ground plane, go to MS Physics, and change its state to static. Or I can also launch the MS Physics UI and change it here. Now if we press play again, you can see that the ground plane now stays in one place, and now the box can fall down and land onto it. Now we can apply the same process with the toilet paper roll. However, you can see that the toilet paper component passes right through the ground plane. To fix it, we need to turn on continuous collision, which prevents objects from passing through other objects at high speed. That works. If you make copies of the toilet paper roll and then simulate physics, they will all interact with each other, which is really cool. However, keep in mind that if any object falls outside of the ground plane, then it will keep falling down and disappear. So let's add some walls to the outside and turn this into an open box. You can see that this is not working correctly because it seems to be stopped by the bounding area of the box. To fix this, we need to change the shape to static mesh. There we go, that works. You can drag the objects to move them around as well.
Hello, darkness.
And that's basically it. Now I can apply this method to my scene, but as you can see, I have a lot of objects in this scene, so I need to make all of these existing objects static. But instead, I will copy the shell of the bathroom and some main objects, and then paste them in place in the new scene. Now I can make these static and change their shape to static mesh. Finally, I can import the toilet paper roll component, turn on continuous collision, and make copies, then start simulating physics. Notice that I'm only doing it in this area instead of everywhere in the scene. Once this area is done, I can group it, make it static, then go to the different area and repeat the process. This is to make it less laggy. Once finished, I can group all of these toilet paper rolls and copy, then go to my original model and paste in place. There we go, pretty cool, huh? And now I can render it. The model in this video is my latest model. You can follow this link here to get it on Gumroad, or sign up on my Patreon before the end of the month to get it at a cheaper price. Toilet paper not included. And I know a lot of people are having to stay at home in this pandemic, so I've made one of my previous 3D scenes completely free, so you can download it and learn rendering from home. If you haven't downloaded it yet, then go to this link here and download it. That's all for today, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Stay inspired, guys, and I'll see you next time.